We're in a square in Cuenca, one of the many squares in Cuenca, and we're going to do a walking tour of the city today and see the sights. There are several churches and chapels that we're going to check out, simply for the architecture, not because we're too religious. The architecture of these old chapels are amazing, so we'll go check them out. I'm not sure what this building is. Possibly a church of some kind. It's kind of unique, so I thought I'd take a picture. From here we get a wonderful view of the southern part of Cuenca. The city goes up onto the mountain, and there's a church of Turi up there that we're going to go see this afternoon, and we'll be able to see the rest of Cuenca from up there. I'm standing on the viewpoint up at the Turi Chapel. This provides us with an excellent view of this beautiful city. Here is the Chapel of Turi. So I'm going to go inside and have a look. Before I go in, I want to have a look at this. These are all restaurants built up on the hillside that would give you an absolutely magnificent view of the city while you're eating. This is the interior of the Turi Chapel. It's nice. It's nothing like the Bastion in Quito, but it's still very pretty. I love the smell of the gum trees. It smells like mint.
Espacios públicos más pintorescos de la ciudad y constituye la pisada para la venta de plantas y flores, de ahí su apelativo.
No es un completo grande, si no cree que cielo de su agrado, hoy sigue así.
Llévate las mesas, llévate un par de mesas, llévate.
Oh, this is beautiful. The flowers are amazing. Oh, the fragrance. Lovely. I've never seen a market like this in North America. Cuenca, we're in the market area of Cuenca. Another square with a lot of pigeons. There's no shortage of food in Ecuador. There's an abundance of everything. This building's on one side of the corner, and over here, this magnificent building's kitty corner to it. Amazing! This building deserves a little more than what I gave it in that last one, but it is magnificent. It's a stunning piece of architecture. This is another market square that's outside of the whole section of the city. It's all about the World Cup soccer right now. Everybody's selling jerseys and flags. Just a good energy here right now. This is Cuenca, the real Cuenca, not the old part of the city. This is also Pigeon Central. This is a market in the center of the old town of Cuenca. It's amazing. Oh man, I'm about 100k south of Cuenca. Down that mountain, went through the valley and back up this one here. It is spectacular. A bit cold. I've got all my warm gear on. That's the temperatures up here at this high. Another Kodiak moment in the Andes. somewhere between Cuenca and Loja. I'm standing at the top of a pass, looking down the other side. I just came out one side, pressed at the top, and I saw this. Wow, what a spectacular sight. Reminds me of the hoodoos and camus, but much greener. Another magnificent view of the Andes. Keeps getting better and better. I stopped along the side of this dirt road just to have a look at this valley. It's too amazing not to stop and take some pictures. Not very much fun to ride on a dual sport bike, or any bike for that matter. So I'm going to make my way to Loja and see if I can reconnect with Steve. If there's anything between here and there that's worth videoing, I'll let you know. Some of these houses are pretty good, pretty nice. Others are a little rustic. Check this out. This great view of this deep valley. Lots of fields. All the mountains are cultivated here. Look at that road on the other side, down there snaking along the mountainside. That would have been terrific to ride, but we didn't know about it. Or I didn't know about it since I'm riding on my own today. Going through small villages of Santiago and just checking out some of the vistas here. It's beautiful. Amazing. Ecuador truly is a beautiful country to ride in. The streets are fabulous, the roads are fabulous to ride. The villages are interesting. That's just too interesting not to take some video of. One side of the valley and crested the pass, and this is what I'm seeing. This is my first glimpse of Loja, nestled in the mountains of the Andes. This is a beautiful setting for a city. It's not a very big city. I don't know how many people live here. I'll find that out later. The square in Loja. Down here today, lots going on. Beautiful square. Saturday here today, and people are just having a great time in this beautiful weather. I got here and there was parking right on the square, and the guy that has painted all these street paintings right here, and here he's at work right here, has looked after my bike and showed me a place to eat. So that was really cool. Here's some more of his work here. Most of you will recognize this one. If you're my age, you certainly do. Apparently, we're not staying in Loja, and Steve and I got separated earlier today. I didn't know that the plan had changed, that we're staying about another 50 or 60 kilometers south of here. But anyways, it's been a great ride, great weather. Rained a little bit this morning, but other than that, it's been perfect. Just finished having a good lunch and an ice cream sundae and a cappuccino, and I am going to hit the road again. part of this valley. We're really upscale here, so this, well, they haven't had a tennis court and a pool. Beautiful properties here. Well, that explains a lot. Steve didn't realize that he had booked down here either. He thought we had booked in Loja as well, but when he looked at this, we're in the province of Loja in a town called Vilcabamba, which is 39 kilometers south of Loja. But I'm not really upset about it because you've got to check this out. This is the resort we're staying at. Beautiful pool, palm trees. It is amazing. So this was a happy mistake. Let's go for a walk around the pool. This is what we stumbled into, completely unaware of what we were getting into or where we were going, which is seems to be the norm for us about half the time. No matter where we go, we seem to find something unique and interesting, and it always works out. I can live with this. Check the wines out in this store. I did not expect a store, an upscale store like this in this town.